The lawyer for accused number 1 in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial has come under fire for being a no-show in court. This after Thulani Mngomezulu had asked for an adjournment on Tuesday to go over evidence of 2 witnesses who were due on the stand. But at the 11th hour, the court heard that Mngomezulu would not be present, leading to a tongue-lashing by the judge. eNCA's Manqoba Mchunu reports.
Is this how black lawyers behave? Yeah. Some of them, maybe I should qualify that. How can you tell a judge that you are unable to proceed today because the 2 witnesses, which you said were short witnesses,
yes,
he doesn't know what they said. He has to read the evidence of those 2 witnesses, prepare and come here. Thereafter he comes and says, you know what, I don't have a problem with the evidence of those 2 witnesses.
A visibly irate judge after the lawyer for accused one, Thulani Mngomezulu, was a no-show in court, much to the agitation of the court.
I think he did indicate that he's ceased with another matter. From what he said is that, we can continue with the evidence. He doesn't have real issue with the evidence of the 2 witnesses. That's what.
Why doesn't he phone me?
Yes, that's what I would have expected.
This is what counsel or an attorney who has ethical standards does. I get a message through my register. The attorney or the advocate himself doesn't phone the judge, and the judge must smile because he's black.
The court later heard that Mngomezulu had phoned advocate Zandile Mshololo minutes before proceedings, requesting that Sipho Ramosipile, whom his client recently fired, stand in for him. A request Ramosipile also refused.
The mandate of Mr. Ramosipile has been terminated. Is that not so?
Yes, that's correct, my lord.
Now today, the same Mr. Mngomezulu wants Mr. Ramosipile, whose mandate has been terminated, to act on behalf of accused number 1, who has terminated the mandate of Mr. Ramosipile. That's why I'm asking, are ethics taught in our universities?
The business of the day continued with an interpreter who was part of Ndazi's second confession being called to the stand. She confirmed that Ndazi made his statement in Zulu, which he then interpreted to Magistrate Vivian Cronje. A photographer was present in a pointing out by accused 1, Mosisibia, also took the stand, confirming photos he captured. In what's been a series of gripping developments over the past few days, the evidence of the alleged confessions has reached its conclusion. However, the court has stressed that its ruling on the admissibility of the statements is not final, with the comprehensive judgment expected at the end of the case. Meanwhile, the matter resumes on Friday. Manqoba Mchunu, Pretoria.